Hello friends, welcome to researchtradeprofit.com, and this video I am going to show today's call performance and what was the result in commodities. So this was the profit compared to intraday trading for MCX commodities. That is 17,400 rupees profit. We have booked till far, and I I would like to show you how to how the calls were generated in intraday today, and how the market reacted to our advanced trading levels. So you can see this our website, that is research.profit.com. Here we used to generate intraday trading levels. So you are I believe you are all aware of this levels, how it will generate, and so as of this level, according to these levels, this was a strategy we have got in today's intraday trading. Led, we had a morning buy call at 156 20 paisa. So let's open a lead chart, and let us see what was the result. So this is the lead result. Morning we had a buy call near these levels, 162 156 20 paisa, and this was a target 156 65. So the same target I have mentioned here, 167 65, 167 65. This was the target. So that was been achieved in lead today. Here you can see morning buy call and went up at 11 o'clock 50 minutes morning. It went up and target was booked in lead. Same way you can see this zinc call. Morning we had a buy at 186.50 paisa, 186.50 paisa. This was the call morning, and you can see this red line indicates the selling level, which we can find here. Zinc 188 30 paisa, 188 30 paisa. You can see this candle high morning, exactly it went up high till 188 30 paisa at 11 o'clock 45 minutes. So we had a buy at these levels. I have not considered these selling levels because according to our strategy, the sell was not, I mean, we are not able to catch the sell entry, but buy entry we have cashed at this moment. So from here it has went up, and target was booked in zinc. That is amount of 6,000 rupees was booked in zinc. Same way if you see silver, we had a profit booked of 4,980 rupees, and still a gold we have a sell position. I can show you the gold call. Gold here morning it was continuously went up, and here we sell call generated at the time of 1 o'clock 5 minutes. After the sell call it went till 190. From 267 it went up to 190 193. That is almost 50 points we had got in gold, but still our target was is near somewhere 168. So I'm waiting for this target, and again you can see this 2 3 times it went up and came down, went up and came down, and again this moment it has went up this level, and it's again trying to come down. So I'm waiting for the target. This was a call in gold. So gold call is still open. You can see the status. Gold call is open. Whereas in crude oil, from last 2 days, every time it was a triggering the targets. So today the stop loss has been triggered after 4 trading sessions. Today first time crude oil stop loss was triggered. That is we have booked a loss. 3561 we had a buy, and 3543 stop loss was triggered. So we closed the crude oil call in loss. Same way in nickel also we closed the call in loss. But natural gas call was not active at morning. It was a huge gap up. So natural gas I mean call is not active in both the side. And aluminium we had a buy call. You can see this aluminum still we have a buy call at these levels, and it went up to 123, but our target was 123 15 paisa. So we are just waiting for another 15 paisa to move up, where it will be target will be done. And same way in copper, if you see 392 was our buy call. You can see this copper. Yeah, this was the copper call. 392 we had a buy, and same way you can see this, it went exactly near the sell entry, but I have not taken the sell entry calculations. Only buy call was active and it went up, and again it buy call was active here, and again it has gone up till 393.50 paisa, where our target was 393.75 paisa. So almost second time also copper made a target. So only one time I have taken the call in copper by call, that is 1750 profit booked in copper. So overall if you compare, out of 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 calls, out of 8 calls, 4 target is already done, 2 stop loss got triggered, and 1 call is not activated, and another 2 call is still we are carrying a position, though it is in profit, it has not reached the target, so we are carrying this position. So overall if you confirm, this is the profit, 17,000 17,405 rupees is the profit we are getting in intraday trade in commodities. So this was a call in commodity for today, and let us understand the things very carefully, how the calls are working and how the calls are generated every day in our website. Do subscribe the channel, and do subscribe the service. You will be getting this service for just 1000 rupees per month. You can access this entire data for whole 1 month by just paying a very minimal fees of 1000 rupees. And thank you for watching this video. Do share this video with your friends, and I hope you understand some strategies, and I hope you got some confidence how to trade intraday in commodity market. Thank you for watching this video. Bye bye, take care.